Yeah, I mean, I was pretty upset with the way I played under pressure in the doubles. I knew I had to come out there and prove myself and show what I can do for Jamaica. Now it's Randy's time now, so I'm confident we'll get the win.